Hello, today we will guide you through how to change chart in Exness Mobile App. If you want to adjust the way market data is displayed in Exness, the good news is that it only takes a few taps. Changing the chart style can make it easier to read price movement and follow the market in a way that suits your preference. To begin, open the Exness app on your mobile device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so all the navigation options are visible and responsive. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the bottom of the app and tap on Trade. This section is where you can view available instruments and access the trading interface. After that, tap on a sample symbol to open its market view. This simply means selecting any trading pair or instrument from the list so you can access its chart settings. If you're following along in real time, choose the symbol you normally use, since the process will be the same. Once the symbol is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and tap the Settings option. This area usually contains the controls for customizing what you see on the chart. Opening Settings gives you access to display-related choices, including chart preferences. From the Settings menu, tap on Charts. This is the section where the app lets you manage how the chart appears. Depending on your app version, you may see different chart presentation options grouped together here. Take a moment to look through them carefully so you can choose the one that best matches your trading style. Now select the sample chart option shown on your screen. This action changes the chart type in the Exness mobile app. Once selected, the chart should update right away, allowing you to view price movement in the new format. If the change does not appear immediately, give it a second for the screen to refresh. That's all it takes to change the chart in Exness. This small adjustment can make a big difference in readability, especially if you prefer a cleaner view or a chart style that helps you spot patterns more easily. If needed, you can always return to the same chart settings area later and switch to a different option using the same process. Thanks for following along, and that's how to change the chart in the Exness mobile app.